Hello guys, this is very important video for somebody who have Toyota Auris Hybryd and put charging battery wrong way, plus minus, or change battery and wrong connect. So it's the electric problem. This fuse is being burned, this one, but anyway it's not being power over there because this box has inside up there have this fuse 125 amperes, which one is gone, and it's not being, you don't have inside power box. So this box is location here, and this cable you don't have power. So your electric window, your radio, your air condition, your heating seat, nothing work. And so this fuse is very hard to take off because it's not much space here. I have to remove the wing, remove ACU, just screw is very bottom. Calling hybrid system box, so many things to take off. I find this fuse because I think to change whole box, and I buy whole box, and when I open I find this fuse in the bottom, so that's why I start make decision to change for my one. And I finish work 1 minute, and I think so will be okay. I'll let you know how is the fixed problem or not, but I think it's fixed because it's maybe camera doesn't show very good, but it's gone.